Get ready, donut lovers. We are about to turn your kitchen into the sweetest spot in town. Let's make some ring donuts. Hi beautiful people, the food hub here. The list of ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below. Let's get started. Get a clean plate and pour in your yeast, sugar, and a cup of warm milk. Stir and allow it to rest for about 5 minutes. Do let me know where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Enjoy the process. In a mixing bowl, add your flour and sugar and give that a good stir. Now it's time to add our yeast mixture. You can see it's bubbling, it's alive, it's donut time. Give that a gentle mix. Now add your butter. Mix until you get a smooth and stretchy dough. Transfer to your work surface and continue kneading. Once you're done, allow it to rest for an hour. Enjoy the process. Sprinkle some flour on the work surface and roll out each piece. I made use of a donut cutter, or if you don't have a donut cutter, you can actually improvise by making use of something that is round. After cutting your donut, you have to allow it to double in size. Preheat your cooking oil and drop the donuts gently into the oil. And there you have it, homemade ring donuts. Simple, sweet, and guaranteed to make your day. Try it out now and taste the joy. You may decide to coat them in sugar. This is totally optional. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Bye!